it's Suzi from the library, and I'm going to teach you a new craft tutorial for Saturday Crafternoon. So today we are going to do DIY no-sew scrunchies. Yeah, so you don't need to know how to sew, you just need a few things that you probably have at home if you're doing crafts. So let's learn how to do these. So for our no-sew scrunchie, we're going to need some fabric, some elastic. I grabbed 3/8. Scissors, something to measure, and a hot glue gun. And let's go. And if you hear that, that is just my dog annoying my cat. Well, now we have the start of our scrunchie. I imagine if you used a clothespin, that would have went 10 times more faster. But now we have our tube, so now we have to measure out our elastic. So once you've fed your elastic all the way through, we are going to tie it in a knot. I'm going to tie it tight because we don't want it to come undone. So once we have that, we are going to insert one piece into the other, just kind of feed it through the tube. And fluff our scrunchie up, and there you go, a cute DIY scrunchie. So we're going to start by measuring. We want 4.5 by 22 inches. Mine's almost 22 inches the long way, so I don't need to worry about cutting that. So I just need to measure out 4.5 inches, mark it, and cut it. So now that we have our strip of fabric cut, we are going to put hot glue on here and then fold it over just so we have a nice clean edge. And we're going to do that quick so our glue doesn't dry while we're trying to work. So we'll, oh, come on, glue. Glue. And fold. Just like that. And then we're going to do the same to the other short edge. So now that we have both of our ends done, we are going to fold our fabric so the pattern's on the inside, and we're going to glue all along the long edge and fold it. Sorry. So when I was gluing mine, I did a couple short glues and then I'd fold it over, just I didn't want my glue to dry too much in between. So now we're going to gently try and flip our tube inside out so that we can stick the elastic in. So I'm going to get this all folded in and then I'll show you guys what to do next. Okay, so we'll set this guy to the side. We're going to open up our elastic and we're going to measure out 10 inches. So, get that going, get my little paper measure. Doesn't have to be exact. So we're going to take that piece of elastic that we just cut and we're going to put it in our tube. This one you might want to go and get a safety pin to kind of weave it through. If not, you could just do it by hand.